As you can see, there are three sheets in the bottom, and you should start with sheet number one. And in this sheet, you want to calculate all of your expenses. So whatever your expenses are going to be, and you're going to use the current values for these expenses. For example, if you're renting a place, put down the rental figure here. If you're paying rates and levies, utilities, insurance and maintenance, your food spend, your medical aid spend, your vehicle spend, 37,100 Rand. So we're going to take this figure, our total monthly spend, and we're going to do some retirement calculations in sheet number two. So don't get too scared of the sheet. It's a lot of calculations. So you're going to put in your age. Let's say you're 32 years old. You plan to retire at 65. Let's say we plan for 25 years. I mean, we don't know when we're going to die. So we plan for as much time as we can, 25 years. And this is the rates of return that we're putting in right now. So return before retirement, this is a very conservative return. Obviously, if you invest in something far greater, you'll put that figure there. This is your return after retirement. This is always less than the return before retirement because after retirement, you are in fairly conservative sort of investments. And this is our annual inflation. Okay, we're going to put our current salary in here and with our annual salary increase as well. What we want to figure out is what our current pension is. Okay, so let's assume that you're contributing 10% of your salary. Your employer is matching 100% of that. So in terms of the Rand value of what we need in retirement, we're going to take this figure from the sheet, 37,100, and that's what we're going to plan for, 37,100. Okay, so this 135,000. Okay, when you're at 65 years old, 37,100 Rand today, you will need 135,000 Rand some change to actually buy the exact same thing when you are 65. I know it's a scary figure, but this is how you plan for retirement. So let's say we have some money in the bank. Let's say we have 400,000 in retirement savings. The value of those savings at retirement is 2 million or so. The value of the current contributions at retirement is about 5 million. So part of the strategy is to come up with other income sources. And that's what we're going to factor in now. Okay, so the value of the other income at retirement is around real estate. You're going to realize that upon retirement, you're going to sell some of your property, sell some of your gold. That's what you can put in here. If you're going to sell all of those assets to fund your retirement, you can put that amount here. So here is your shortfall at retirement. Now, in this case, there is no shortfall. It's actually a positive of 6 million sub change, mainly because we have all of these extras here that's pushing up this amount. Then we're going to move on to our retirement portfolio, and this is the various things that we want to see in our retirement. Okay, we want to have our regular pension or provident. If you have both, great. Hopefully, you've preserved some of your funds. You can put that here. Let's say you preserve 300,000. Let's say you have another 100,000. Another 100,000 in a retirement annuity. This is the current value as it is valued today. So every year you've got to do this exercise and you'll see all of the figures change and you'll see where the bulk of your retirement investment is. Let's say our tax-free investments, we got 70,000 there. Crypto, let's say we want to bump up our crypto. I see that there. Income property valued at 350. There's 6,000 in gold. Also, gold is not going to give you an income, but if you do sell it, this is what you're going to get. So you're going to put all of that there. So you're going to see how everything works. You can't depend on one source of income and the possible cash flow as well. You want your majority to come from your traditional base, okay, and the rest on the more high risk stuff that can really give you a nice, sweet retirement.